planted the wrong bomb, boy!
Beat him down! It's all he's good for! Hey, who is this guy?
Don't know, but it looks kind of shifty. Roll him in some pig shit! That's your fault!
Now, whoa!
Hey, partner, look out!
Don't blame me, blame society. You lost the wheel yet? To America, asshole.
He's a combine rustler! That son bitch stealing
You
bitch!
enjoying yourself? Now you enjoying this, asshole?
Stop that dang varmint!
Midlife crisis. It's a great thing. I'll never hit one of those. That's what suicide is for. This is Sage on Radio X, the alternative, bringing the best in modern rock to anyone in San Andreas who's smart enough to understand.
Man, you've brought peace back to my valley. Thank you, friend. I'll call you when the whoop-de-doo is ready. Just make sure you get that cash.
Hey,
Carl, it's Caesar.
what's up?
Best thinking shit, that's what's up, Holmes.
What's wrong? Where's Kendall? Is she okay?
She's with me, she's okay for now. The Varios Los Aztecas, it's all over. There's a price on my head. Maybe Kendall's too.
What happened?
Trust, respect, honor, they don't mean jack in Los Santos now. My OGs, my S's, all dead or in hiding, eh?
Get out of town. Head over to Angel Pine, rent you and Kendall a trailer, and I'll meet you there.
Okay. Well, I just got some shit to take care of, and
No, just get my sister out of town someplace safe. Don't shit with me on this one. I can't lose her, man.
sure thing, Holmes. We'll see you in Angel Pine.